Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel guys. In this week's tutorial I'm going to be doing a quick demonstration on how to enter save mode on a locked Android device. Now this video is actually coming as a request on my previously posted video. Now I made a video on how to unlock a forgotten Samsung pattern without losing your files and your data. However, after I made that video, I got a good number of comments in the comment section. Some phones were not actually able to boot into the save mode. All right, so this video is coming as a request on that my previously posted video. Now you can find the link to that video by clicking on this link above. All right guys, so as you can see here, when I try to enter the save mode here, so if I try to enter the save mode here, I'll be requested to draw in the pattern. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys another way which you can use to enter save mode. Now this process that I'm going to be demonstrating in this video basically work for all Samsung phones. All right, so guys, as you can see here, on this another Android phone that I actually have here. So if I want to enter save mode here on this Android device, now this one is actually on Android version 6.0. so if I want to enter save mode here, I will not be requested to draw in the pattern because this phone is on a lower Android version. So as you can see, if I click on OK, now the phone will be booted into the save mode. Once it reboots, now it's going to enter the save mode because it's on a lower Android version, whereas this phone is actually running on Android version 13. So let me show you guys how you can force enter into the save mode on this Samsung phone. Like I said, this one is on the Android version is on Android version 13. All right, so guys, let's get started guys. So as you can see, let's just wait for this phone to bring up the Android home screen. So I will show you that it has been booted into the save mode, as you can see here guys. So we don't need a pattern to enter the save mode on this phone. All right, so this is how you're going to do it guys. So the first thing we're going to do here now is, so let me quickly remove this guys. All right, so what you're going to do here now, it's very easy. What you're going to do here is just to combine these two buttons together, the power button and then the volume down button together. So you just combine these two buttons together. So when the phone is about to restart, then you release the power button and then you maintain the volume down button. All right, so let's do this together guys. So here I'll bring up this option first. All right, so here I will go ahead and then hold the two buttons together. So I will hold the two buttons together like this. So just keep holding it. So once the phone goes off, then you remove. So just release the power button and then you keep holding the volume down button. All right, so what we are basically doing now is to enter into the save mode. All right guys, so if you want to watch that video, I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description of this video. Now after I made that video guys, it's not all Samsung phone that is actually going to enter save mode through the method that I demonstrated in that video. So if your phone is now able to enter the save mode under my previous video, now you can apply the method that I'm sharing with you guys in this video. Like I said, this basically works for all Samsung phones. So just keep holding the volume down button. All right guys, so if you are new to my channel guys, consider subscribing, give this video a like button and also drop down a comment in the comment section. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so anytime that I will drop a new content here on this channel, you'll be notified and then you come and watch the video. All right guys, so as you can see here, we have successfully entered the save mode. So as you can see here, yeah, the phone is now on save mode. All right, so guys, that is a quick way on how to enter save mode on a locked Android device. If today is your first time here, consider subscribing, consider turning on the bell notification, and also drop down a comment in the comment section. If you want to unlock your Samsung phones without losing your files and your data. Now you can find the link to that video in the description of this video. All right, so with that being said, see you guys in the very next tutorial. Bye for now.